Okay, dear students, today we will start module 4. Okay, op-amp with the negative feedback and general applications. That means we are going to study the general applications of feedback amplifier. So first one is voltage series feedback amplifier. Okay, this is the circuit diagram representing voltage series feedback amplifier. Okay, the term voltage means the sampling parameter is voltage at the output, and series means at the input side there is a series connection. That means series type of mixing. Whenever there is a series mixing, the sampling feedback voltage signal is voltage signal. Okay, that's what we are showing here. So here output voltage is sampled through this voltage divider network, and the feedback signal is Vf, and it is mixed in series with input voltage Vin, like this, V1 minus V2 plus or minus V2, like this one. Okay. So now if you look at this diagram, this is a inverting amplifier. Okay, whatever you studied op-amp application, it is nothing but a inverting amplifier, feedback resistor, input resistor, and input is non-inverting amplifier. Input is connected to non-inverting terminal. It is nothing but non-inverting amplifier actually. Okay. Now for this circuit, the closed loop voltage gain is given by AF is equal to V0 by Vn, output voltage divided by input voltage, and feedback parameter B is represented by output of the feedback signal Vf divided by input of the feedback network V0. Okay, and Vid is the difference of two input voltage at the input side. That means at the two input terminals V1 and V2. Okay, at non-inverting terminal the signal is V1, which is equal to Vin. At the non-inverting terminal V2 is equal to Vf. So therefore Vid is equal to Vn minus Vf. Okay, and then we have to derive the expression for closed loop voltage gain AF. Okay, AF is equal to V0 by Vin, and according to the open loop voltage gain is equal to A is equal to V0 by Vid. Okay, Vid is equal to V1 minus V2. Okay, so therefore open loop voltage V0 can be written in terms of open loop voltage gain. V0 is equal to A into V1 minus V2, and V1 is equal to Vin from the circuit diagram, and V2 is equal to Vf. If you apply the voltage divider formula, which is equal to V0 into R1 divided by R1 plus Rf. Now substitute all these things and then simplifying, and then if you take the V0 term separate on the left hand side and Vin term on the right hand side, and then if you simplify for V0 by Vin, you will get expression like this: A into R1 plus Rf divided by R1 plus Rf plus A into R1. But generally open loop gain A is very large, of the order of 10 to the power of 5. So therefore in the denominator of this expression, A into R1 becomes far more greater than this R1 plus Rf. Okay, so therefore this R1 plus Rf can be neglected, and we can write the denominator equivalent to A into R1. Now if you see, applying this assumption, we will get AF is equal to in the numerator A into R1 plus Rf divided by A into R1. AA gets cancelled, and then after simplifying we will get 1 plus Rf by R1. So this is nothing but the expression for gain of the non-inverting amplifier. Okay, which is same as that one for this voltage series feedback. This is the ideal case. Okay, and gain of the feedback network is equal to output of the feedback network Vf divided by input of the feedback network V0. So according to this expression, what we have taken, Vf is equal to R1 divided by, from this expression, so V0 by Vf is equal to, that means Vf by V0 is equal to R1 divided by R1 plus Rf we will get. Okay, so now from this expression, comparing these two expression, AF becomes nearly equal to 1 by B, nothing but equal to 1 by feedback factor.